Hey, what's up, guys? This is me from Chris's Trains, out here in Enid, Oklahoma, at the Railroad Museum. Thought I'd give a little video or a little update on what's going on. I'm at the museum right now. It's pretty cool. It's called Watermelon Campbell. He runs this place. It's pretty nice. It's got a Frisco steam engine right here. You can walk up on and everything. So I'll just show you what's going on. The size of this monster. Well preserved, real nice. Looks real good. You got your coal car or your wood chip car right here. And you got your fuel car. All Conoco. Another caboose. Two freight box cars. There's a tank car and hopper back there. Two more box cars at the very, very back. But this is nice. I mean, just walking up on the inside and I couldn't imagine. I could not imagine operating one of these. I mean, the gauges, the levers, all that good stuff. It's just, there's so many. So there's your engineer seat right there. Nope, hate to say it, but nope. I wouldn't have a clue. Not unless I was raised in it. But nope. It's either your wood burner or your coal burner. There's your hot box right in there. Can't really see what's back there, but sorry about the lighting. But yeah, there's your steps right there. Step right on up. Check and see what you got on the inside. I'm guessing. Don't know really much about steam, but man, it's a nice piece of history right here. And this is the Frisco. And yeah, Watermelon Campbell's his name, and he's got a pretty nice setup. He's got memorabilia that's back from 1906, 1909. He's got china plates from every railroad passenger car that you could think of. I mean, every company that you could think of. But I just thought I'd give you a quick little tour. Like I said, I'm about to go inside and do a quick video on the layout. He has a pretty nice layout with the HO scale and N scale, so yeah. Just thought I'd show you this bad boy right here. 1519, engine 1519. Boy. They say you can go in there and pull on the bell, but I don't feel like doing that right now. But alright guys, well, I'm about to go inside and make another little video for the bottle trains, but I just thought I'd show you all this. It's real nice. This is in Enid, Oklahoma Railroad Museum. Look it up. It's pretty nice. If you ever pass through here, check out this place if you're into trains and stuff. So alright, well, everybody have a good weekend. Peace out. Thank you.